Our traditional letterboxes cater for all door types, including composite, UPVC and timber. They have been carefully designed to maintain a traditional look whilst offering enhanced security and weather protection. They are supplied as a full kit which contains a tunnel and brushes to reduce drafts and insulate the door. The internal tunnel can be adjusted to suit the thickness of your door. The sleeve inside the letterbox also protects the door from moisture and masks the aperture cutting. Internal fixings mean the product cannot be removed from the outside. Fit a from the anvil traditional letterbox by following these simple steps. Step 1. Remove existing letter plate. Step 2. Using your new letterbox as a guide, mark out the position of the fixing holes and letterbox aperture. Step 3. Using a jigsaw or pad saw, cut out the required shape for the letterbox. Allow about 1 mm around the edge of the letterbox opening for adjustment. Step 4. Accurately mark the position of the holes for the letterbox fixings and drill a pilot hole of around 3 mm. Then with a 9 or 10 mm drill bit, drill a second hole. Repeat this process for all 4 fixing holes. Step 5. Insert the brush section from the inside. Step 6. Offer up and insert the letterbox front section with the drainage holes at the bottom and press into position. Step 7. Then place the internal cover over the brush section. Secure this with the fixing screws and tighten them fully to compress the seal and secure the whole letterbox into place. Our traditional letterboxes are available in a number of different finishes, and the full range can be found on our website.